I was live at the Techno flagship store launch today, which was held at Kwame Nkrumah Circle. And this was actually a fun-filled event, which I'm going to be showing you everything that's happened at this event. So stay tuned and don't change this channel. Because of there was a whole lot of activities, I won't be covering everything which actually happened at this event, but I'm going to be showing you for you to see how the whole thing looks like. So this is the decoration, and this is actually in Accra, Ghana. Techno recently launched their flagship store whereby you can be able to get all kinds of device, most especially the flagship devices. And over here, there is a whole lot of techno products. This is actually a new store in which they just launched today, and this is me at the flagship launch. And this is actually a fun-filled event full of activities and dancing, and all these are techno gadgets being displayed. I never knew that techno had laptops, which they also sell, and but some of the things in which we mainly know is the techno innovations, which is like the smartwatch, the iPad, the smartphone, and a whole lot, which is exactly what you are seeing on your screen. There's a whole lot of techno flagship device being displayed at this center, and it is quite interesting. And this is actually a story building up. I'm going to be showing you how the upstairs looks like. This is at the down. There's a whole lot of devices which you can see here, and at the top you can now be able to get other advanced tech devices. In this line of tech business, there's actually a whole lot of competitors coming for you, but with techno innovations, I think they've been able to do well in terms of creating new products and creating advanced products, most especially on the area of tech products and affordable smartphone and gadgets. I think techno has really done well in these aspects, and there's actually a whole lot of influencers, most especially your TikTok influencers or your tech influencers that also came to this event. So if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, please make sure to give it a like, share, and subscribe to this channel because I'll be bringing you a whole lot of events. This is actually an influencer that just passed, and if you can rewind it, you can be able to get to see this person. So this is the upstairs. This is how the staircase looked like at the Techno flagship store, which was launched today. With this flagship store being launched at the center of Accra, which is Kwame Nkrumah Circle, where you can get all kind of gadget devices or smartphones. Everything is actually available at the center, and this is actually the heart of Accra if you are thinking of buying anything electronics or mobile phone, laptop, or any kind of gadgets. So, this is me trying to look at how the environment, how the setup of everything looks like at the launching of these flagship store. Now, this is the media team that was invited to be able to cover the whole event that is going on, and it was actually a well covered event and a very fun filled one. So, without further ado, we're going to be getting to the dance floor for you to get to see the whole event. So, this is the stage, how the stage looked like, the MC and everything. So, this board also contained all the games that was played at this event, Techno Machi Memories. All these are different things in which you can do. So, this is actually the event, how the whole thing looks like. It was actually a fun filled one, and at the end of the day we had people dancing on the stage, most especially the children, and every other people was just there having fun. So this event is actually a very good one, and I think this is a good innovation for Techno launching a flagship store at the heart of Accra, and this is actually a good innovation. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video interesting, please make sure you subscribe to this channel because I bring you everything tech. I talk about tech devices, latest tech devices, and every anything that has to do with smartphone. So as they say, all work and no play makes Jack a dumb boy. So we have a whole lot of techno workers dancing to the dance floor, and even children that was brought to this event. They were all there having fun, which is at the end of the event. So, thank you, subscribe, and have a blessed day.